Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com, the premier dealership for all accessories, parts, and Vespa official apparel in North America. So I'm going to share a brand new apparel line that's the official Vespa apparel line that they come out with the Racing 60s apparel line. So there's both a sweatshirt, both in the green and yellow, and the white and red, along with a t-shirt. So you can find all these on our website, ScooterWest.com. The jacket or sweatshirt, it's a zip-up sweatshirt, comes in both the white and red, just like the white and red Racing 60s scooter, or the color I like, the green and yellow. Very cool apparel line from Vespa. They're made in Europe, not made in China or Taiwan or wherever, Vietnam, like most apparel is nowadays. So they're European-made apparel. Very high quality. This is all stitched on stripes. You got the cool part of these is this little badge. It looks just like the badge on the scooter. It's almost got like kind of a badge appearance. It's got the Vespa embroidered at the neck as well. So we have the full range of size all the way from small to XXX. They might be a slightly tighter size than the standard American size. I'm wearing a medium right now. I normally just always wear mediums. I don't quite fit in a small. Usually large is kind of a bag on me. But I'm sure if I launder this a couple times, it might be a little tighter on me. So pretty close to the size. You know, I would maybe, if you're questioning the size, maybe get one size larger. You can look on ScooterWest.com, find all this apparel available, and it's ready to go. Very high quality stuff, made in Europe. Original Vespa apparel. So one last little Easter egg that I found out is a zipper clasp. It's reminiscent of the horn cover on the Racing 60s or any of the modern Vespas. It's pretty cool. It's got the little charm in the middle. Very interesting design versus just the regular YKK zipper hasp that you always see. So we also have the full range of size of the t-shirts. The green and yellow t-shirt I think is a little cooler looking than the white and red one with the checkers on it. I've always liked checkers, kind of reminiscent of the mod culture of Vespa. Again, made in Europe. You got the Racing 60s badge on the back. You have a little subtle Vespa right here on the t-shirt. Nice quality, you know, cotton blend material. If you go on to the white and red, it's a slightly different style with more stripes on it. See, they got the stripes, that's all sewed in right there, and it's got the much larger Vespa across the front. So kind of a different style. Also got a Vespa tag, and if you move on to the back, Racing 60s here. So that was a quick one for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that pretty interesting. I'm not much of an apparel person. You see, I never really dress up. I'm a freaking mechanic. Until next time, Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com.